this situation, we've got a typical Genie base model garage door opener connected to a garage door. When you press the button, you can see that the motor functions, pulls the chain, but the door itself is not connected. So here are a couple of tips so that you can figure out how to get this operational again. The most common thing that happens is I'll have people or kids pull the emergency cord. So when you see this plastic piece situated flush with that, all you have to do is turn it sideways to reset it. So I'll go ahead and push the button now. And then you saw that it connected. Okay, so now we'll push the button. And it's connected and functioning. So let me go through a couple more scenarios that I commonly see. I'll go ahead and bring this back down. I hope that video was helpful for you, and I hope your garage door is now opening and closing. Thanks for watching.